guys, Friday, October 8th. I am running three portfolios, actually four portfolios at the same time. I'm running Pearson, I'm running Ed's, and I'm running Heather's portfolio, and trying to also run my portfolio. So right now I'm going to be focusing on my portfolio. Um, if you notice on most of all of your portfolios, you guys have a bunch of shorts. Let's go to exactly what we have here. Make it look like that better. Market is kind of like lost a bit. I picked up some SQQQ. That's the short for QQQ. I think it's time for it to probably go a little bit down. I mean up, of course, this one. I have VIX's insurance right here. Okay, I know it's down, but this can just go back up very quickly. My favorite, Boeing, always there. And of course, Zillow. Well, these are the stuff that we're going to be talking about shortly anyway. Right off the bat, let's see if there's anything we can buy. Sometimes doing nothing better than doing something you're going to regret later. We don't know the direction market's going to go, so we're not going to do a lot of buying or selling right now. We're just going to leave the portfolio as is, and we'll see right now if your portfolio is done right, it does behave, and it does work itself nicely. So we don't have to go crazy trying to work it. So as you see, my portfolio is pretty much fair. Very happy with it. Market, as I said, is flat. Not much going on. I do anticipate for the market to go lower today. We've had a very good week, so most likely we'll end it with a bad day. Here's what I want to pick up. I had a bunch of BMW. I sold them. I want to pick up some more. So let's check out BMW. Let me check out this guy, by the way, LHX. It's up, so we're not touching it. So we're going to do some BMW. 149.33. It is dropping. See? So we'll come back to it later. Rockwell Automation is another good company we can touch on, but it's fairly high still. We're not going to touch it. KLA Corp. Still high up. We're not going to touch it. Low. Okay, low is a good one I'd like to buy. So let's go back here. Low. I'm going to convert it. First things first. I'm going to show you something different today to buy. Okay. I'm going to show you a different method. LOW, right? I'm going to buy right off the bat 30 shares at 205.45. 204.45. Because I don't intend to keep it for the day. I mean for the week. I want to dump it. So if I catch it at that price, most likely I'm going to have a small gain on it, and I'll dump it by the end of the day. Let's see an example of it I just did for you guys. JCI. I think I just did 50 shares of it. Let me show you the way I did it. JCI. Let's see. JCI right here. See right here? I did a quick 50 share buys on it, right? My gain is almost 10 bucks on it. I can dump it or I can just be a little patient. But I know my gain will go up higher because I caught it at the lowest price. I intend to dump it by the end of the day regardless. If I have gains or losses, my loss is going to be minimal. My gain is also going to be minimal, but regardless, I'm going to dump it. So that's one way of looking at it. Okay, so what else we have in here we can pick? Dell. I know it's high up, but let's see. I can buy and sell the same day. I'm going to do 50 shares, 104.82. I'm going to do 104.80. Okay, right here. Let's check out my DIA actually. I'm short the IA, right? I'm going to convert it, and I'm going to go long on that. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to buy possibly two of them at a market price. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to place an order for 50 of them at 346.60. Yes, if I catch it, that would be a good number for me to cash out. Otherwise, it's not worth chasing it right now. Okay. All of the shipment companies been suffering because the price is coming down soon. For the White House is after them to bring the prices down. Lamb Research, right? Take a look at it. And here's another one we're going to do. LRCX. Take a look. LRCX. Look. 559 is the highest, right? My guess is at this rate, it looks like it hit the floor. It may stop at 552. So I'd like to go up 40 shares. Will not get crazy. 30 shares at 552. Remember, the game is not to keep it. I want to dump it. I want to dump it. If I catch it at 552, it may go up a point. So I make $30, $40. Okay. Ralph Lauren, I had a bunch of shares. I dropped it yesterday. 20 shares. RL. If I can catch 30 shares at 114.80, again, I will pay for it. Okay, we don't know. You may hit it. Don't know. Okay. What else we have in here? Let's go refresh. Okay. We have. I like RH, but it's keep on dropping right now. So look, if I go to RH right now, RH 643, 640. So you know what? Let's pick up 20 shares at 640.50. Okay, these are daily buying. You don't want to keep it for the week. You want to buy it, and most likely it'll have a little gain or little losses on it. You have to dump it because, or just reduce your quantity by the end of the day because you don't want to get stuck with these for the next week when the market opens up. Okay, what else we got in here? Go down here. HD, I'm short. I think it should come down substantially before I touch it. Let's see. I want to check out my ETFs, QQQ, right? 362 has been 361 the lowest, so I'd like to go up 50 shares at 362. If we catch it, that would be good. If not, that's okay. Let's check out the IWM. 220, 220. I'd like to go 50 shares. 222.30. It's not a great day to buy, so that's why I am not buying. It's better for me to go short on these. Let's see, TQQ. I'd like to go 50 shares at 128.50. Now here's the thing, if you feel that they're going up too high, you're gonna have to switch and play the short games. And that's the way it's gonna be. Okay, let's see. As usual, we have gains in the bottom, right? Let's see what we have. gains. We have Baidu. We have about $547 gain. Remember, I built these positions for the longest. You see it? I started back in August. Now it's pay time. Not bad for 2 months work. Fun work. Bubba, I have a bunch of gains on it. See if you notice right here. All of these are gains. I could cash out if I want to, but Bubba is I'm going to hold on to these Chinese because they're going to go up way, way higher. I am long in Google. I'd like to buy some Google. Let's check it out. Okay, I'd like to buy 5 shares, $27.90. Fair price if I can get it today. See, lowest is $27.89. I'm making it. What else we have in here? Netflix. I think time for me to switch to go long on Netflix because it's not budging in. I got 1 short shares. MasterCard is on the way up. Maybe we can catch a ride to go up. MasterCard, maybe get 20 shares at 355.60 if it decides to come back down. Okay. What else we have in here? We have not picked up anything, but my portfolio doing its thing. Market's up 12 points, pretty much flat. But for portfolio is actually higher than that. I did take out 2,000 from this, so it's almost $2,500 my portfolio, which is I'm happy about that. Okay, going back to RH. Oh, I did place an order for RH. NXPI is another good one. Do I want to do that right now? Yeah, let's go for it. NXPI. NXPI. We're gonna do 191. Let's do 30 shares at 191. Let's see if we can catch it. Lowest of the day. If want to do, I mean, let's just say a quarter of these will pick up at the lowest price, you will definitely make money. If they don't pick up, that means you did not pick up those lowest numbers. Intuit. Intuit, lowest is 534.42. Give me 20 shares at 534. You see, we're going very, very low. That means we're only picking up these massive amount of shares, or dollar price, not number of it, if I get a deal. If not, I will not will not do it. Akamai is another good one we can pick up. Just our usual suspect. 102.42. What does that tell you? It is dropping. So you can buy it this way. You only buy 10 shares at 102.50. Just to get yourself warmed up. That's all. Alright, but the key point is that you guys need to watch your ETFs. You want to really trade ETFs. DIA, for example. See it? Got a bid on 346.50. Is not going to hit it. So we'll wait. We need to be patient. QQQ. Need to be patient. Okay? So we'll just have to be patient. Sometimes doing nothing is the best course of action. And that's the way it's going to be. Alright, so dead day, don't do much. You'll be okay. Just enjoy the ride for today on your portfolio. Your portfolio is going to do its own work. See, it's going up on its own. See it? Alright. Alright, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.